Hello and welcome. In this new chapter, we will look about creating observable using the method create. So creating observable using method create is a method where you create an observable from scratch. In this particular method, we are going to write every method of observer programmatically, and an emitter method is provided which the interfaces will be using to subscribe onto it and get the different emitted values. So let us start coding for creating observable using create method. This is the same code which we were using in our last chapter. What we will do here, we'll just create one more method, one more class, and we'll call it observable using create. Once we have created the class, we will create a source for this particular observable. Now this will give us 5 different shapes of random color and different kind of shapes basically. So different shapes could be a square or a hexagon or a pentagon or a star, and the different colors will be there from this random colors list. So now we'll go back and we'll create observable using create, which will be emitting these shapes. Now once you use this create method, basically if you go and do a control space, so you will get new observable on subscribe with an object. Okay, so I'm just trying to write it. So now this one has a method which we need to implement, which is called a subscribe method. So let's add that. So this subscribe method will be emitting different kind of the objects using observable emitter. So here what we are going to emit, we are going to emit shapes. So what we'll do, we'll just write a try catch block. Now for each shape observable which we are having, so we'll just say shapes for each here. Okay, so now for each shapes, with each or next, a new shape will be emitted from here. So with what we are going to do, we are just with each or next, we are providing a shape here. And now if there is an exception, say that in that case what we need to do, we need to emit a error. So if you look at this particular example, what we are doing, we are emitting 5 different kind of shapes, and when with what we are doing, we are iterating over these shapes and emitting one by one, and at the end if there is an error, then we are just emitting on error, and on complete we are just publishing a on complete event. So just what we'll do, we'll take this entire on create into a different method, or we can write do subscribe here also. So if you write here subscribe, so you will get a subscribe method, and we can subscribe to the new demo observer that we have created. Okay, so let's run this and see what happens. So here what we are going to get is an on subscribe method, which is the first thing which we are doing. And after subscribing, it is emitting shapes of different type, square, triangle, square, and triangles, and with different kind of colors. And then it is coming with an on complete. Okay, so this is what is happening at this point of time. So if I try to create this shape of 10 different or 15 different kind of shapes, let's see now the 15 different events are coming or not. Okay, so here you are getting hexagon, triangles, stars, and all different kind of shapes with all different kind of colors. Next chapter we will be creating observable using differ method. Till then, bye.